Dear listeners, this is Farid Qadri, the first author of this paper, presented in the first International Conference on Sustainable Energy and Advanced Materials, organized by Faculty of Mathematics and Matter Science, Department of Physics. The title of our work is Fuzzy Fault Diagnosis for Voltage Source Inverter in a Direct Torque Control Induction Motor Drive. The outline of this presentation are abstracts, then we give an introduction, we describe the basic director control, we illustrate the structure of fault diagnosis system, which contain feature extractor system, fuzzy fault classification, and current patterns in fault switch. We end with a conclusion. The study of induction motor behavior during abnormal conditions due to the presence of faults and the possibility to diagnose these abnormal conditions has been a challenging topic for many electrical machine researchers. The objective of this paper is to identify the feasibility of fault detection and diagnosis in a three-phase inverter fitting an induction motor. The proposed approach is fuzzy fault diagnosis and classification method applied to director control induction motor drive using the stator concordia mean current vector of fault occurrence localization domain made with 7 patterns is built. The basic DTC sham is presented in this figure. We can see that is characterized by the absence of concordionate transformation current regulators and PWM signals generators. This control strategy was first introduced by Takahashi in 1986. A voltage-fed inverter induction motor drive system can develop various types of faults that can be classified as follow: input supply single line to ground faults, rectifier diode short circuit fault, transistor short circuit fault, and transistor based drive open fault, which is the problematic solved by this work. This figure illustrates the structure of fault diagnosis system. We use the acquisition of three-phase currents ESA, ESB, SC to give the feature extraction system data to be used for the localization and classification of the different patterns, fault patterns, and to make a decision. In order to take into account the uncertainty of classification, a mathematics function characterizing the difference between different classes must be introduced. There is not a general method for building the mathematical model. In our case, we must determine a function that applies the following: localization of each pattern class in between limits defined by a threshold, make the future extractor universal for different speed references by normalized function. This function is given by this equation. The choice of n depends on diagnosis decision time. The flowchart in Figure 3a illustrates the fuzzy classification method. Figure 6b shows the faulty current pattern, which indicates the localization of the faulty switch can be distinguished into 6 patterns for a fault occurrence. The current pattern in a healthy condition is a circle. If an open switch fault has occurred, a part of circle shape, semicircle shape, therefore represents an open fault condition. The angle of the semicircle corresponds to the location of the fault switch. The proposed fuzzy control is Eugenio model using triangular and trapezoid member function. The output design the 6 pattern and the healthy state without faults. There are seven output different outputs. The control strategy depends mostly on inference rules. The inference is based on the method of sum product inference. For defuzzification, the center of gravity method was used to simplify the description of inferences. We use seven rules to describe the function of fuzzy classification method as follow. For example, if SI is positive and if SP is 0 and if SC is 0, then TE is 1, that means that T1 switch is defected. The simulation results of healthy and different faulty mode are illustrated as follow. We can see that the obtained results faults shapes are same as in theory. The circle shape presents the case of healthy situation, and the others states that indicate a semicircle shape describe the faulty situation. It differ on the transistor in faults. A DTC fault diagnosis system using fuzzy fault classification method has been proposed. A feature extractor based on normalized algebraic sum is utilized to transform output stator currents signals in order to read the signal value as an important characteristic for classifying a fault hypothesis. The proposed method has the ability to classify and to identify the fault location with a good performance. As perspective and future development of this work, we suggest the use of different and others intelligent technique as a neural network to improve the performances of this system. Thank you for your attention.